This is the story of BatchMaster, the greatest wizard the world of ERP has ever known. Many years ago, he was born in the magical town of Wonderland, while the process manufacturing businesses were in their nascent stage. This is when the evil warlord Covidius set his eyes on Wonderland, with an objective of gaining absolute control over the businesses. To grow his influence, he cast curse spells on the businesses, which gradually started reeling from inventory mismatches, unreconciled statements, the evils of non-compliance, and the formulation errors. The latter eventually becoming the reason behind the death of the parents of the young wizard, who grew up with the tales and mental scars of those 7 cursed spells, vowing to end them, and along with them, the business's miseries. What were those curses? And how did BatchMaster triumph over Covidius? Watch as this series unfolds with its various twists and turns.